Head for the hills, unraveling English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, head for the hills. Idioms are a key part of mastering English, offering a peek into the culture and adding color to the language. Let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how to use it in everyday conversation. Head for the hills is an idiom that means to run away from danger or trouble. When someone uses this phrase, they're advising others to escape a potentially harmful situation as quickly as possible. It paints a vivid picture of someone running to the safety of the hills or higher ground, away from immediate threats. This phrase likely comes from times when hills or high ground were seen as safe havens during invasions or natural disasters. Historically, people would head for the hills to avoid danger, whether from enemy forces or floods. It's a survival tactic that has been embedded into the language as a colorful way to express the need to flee from danger. Using head for the hills in conversation adds a dramatic flair to the advice of avoiding trouble. It's commonly used in informal settings. Here are a few examples. When the boss finds out we missed the deadline, we'd better head for the hills. The weather report predicts a massive storm tonight. It might be time to head for the hills. Whenever I see my nosy neighbor coming, I head for the hills to avoid a long conversation. Learning idioms can be challenging but rewarding. Here are some tips to master them. Listen to native speakers and note how they use idioms in context. Practice using idioms in your conversations, even if it feels a bit awkward at first. Read widely in English, from novels to newspapers, to see idioms in action. Remember, understanding the cultural context can help you grasp the meaning behind idioms. Thank you for joining us as we explored the idiom, head for the hills. Idioms like this one enrich your English language skills and help you communicate more vividly. We hope this video has been informative and entertaining. Don't forget to practice, and soon, you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. See you in our next video.